Welcome to Feeding the Birds, the motion picture, the first of a trilogy of films. Soon to be released, Planet of the Ducks and Sending the Chooks. Sit back and prepare to be amazed.
Welcome to a special director's commentary of Feeding the Birds, the motion picture. As a director, I had to put myself in their position in order to produce this epic masterpiece. I would like now to introduce to you the world-famous film critic Jason to present his thoughts and ponderings concerning this epic movie. Over to you now, Jason.
This film is epic in all proportions except for its length. The drama and the action of the struggles within the avian community when trying to earn a crust. The pathos and the results from having to settle with being fed cheap white bread instead of higher quality whole grain. I found this masterpiece quite moving on so many levels.